images that have shocked not just Rajasthan but the nation. And take a look at these images that come, and this is CCTV camera at a crossing in Bharatpur. This is the gruesome murder of a doctor and his wife caught on camera. Now, as you see in these images, the two men on a motorcycle, they overtook the car, parked in front of it, and then went to the doctor's side of the window, asked him to roll down. Perhaps he may have thought they want some directions or want some information, but they pumped bullets into the doctor and into his wife. Not just that, they then turned around, fired in the air and fired into the car once again. Police have launched an investigation in this case. The two men have not been identified. They hadn't been identified till the time this information came in. The effort is on to nab them. Police, of course, say they have some information from the number plate of this motorcycle or from some information about this motorcycle. Police also suspect that this is a case of old enmity. I want to cut across to India Today's Devankur Vadhavan joining us for more on the story from Jaipur. Dev, what more can you add?
Well, Gaurav, this incident, there is a precedence to it. In 2019, Dr. Sudeep Gupta was allegedly in an affair with a woman whose name was Deepika Gurjar. That woman allegedly was killed by Dr. Sudeep Gupta's wife and his mother-in-law. The Bharatpur IG, hours ago from now, has held a press conference where he clearly mentioned that the links of today's incident, the broad daylight murder of the doctor couple, is with that particular incident, because in that incident, the doctor had an affair with this woman. The woman gets killed by the doctor's wife and his mother-in-law allegedly. And today, what has happened is that, as per the police, the brother of that woman, with certain people who were involved in this incident, allegedly were involved in the murder of the doctor and his wife. So clearly a sensational double murder case surfacing in Rajasthan's Bharatpur today. The police so far has not been able to nab the culprits in today's incident. The entire whodunit is being investigated by the Bharatpur police, and the men involved in today's double murder are still at large. Gaurav?
No, this is shocking. This actually shows, Dev, there is absolutely no fear of the law, no fear of law enforcement agencies. In broad daylight on a main arterial road of Bharatpur, two men overtake a car, stop it, and blindly start firing into the pump bullets into the driver and the passenger and just flee. Nobody stops them. Where was the police? What is the police's explanation?
Well, Gaurav, also in this particular, the entire saga that happened, the doctor's wife was out on bail. She's a murder accused, as I mentioned, in a 2019 case. In fact, the doctor also had gone to jail in the same case because he was accused of conspiracy. He was booked under Section 120B of IPC. He also went to jail. Both of them were out on bail, and this clearly seems to be a case of revenge. But you are quite right. This happened in broad daylight on an arterial road in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. Not just this. Last night, the BJP member of parliament from Bharatpur, Ranjita Kohli, also was attacked. So clearly several incidents which should have not happened in broad daylight. Today's incident happened, and the last night's incident clearly shows that the criminals have been taking the law in their own hands and have been running amok with it.
Dev, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. For the moment, Devankur Vadhavan, many thanks for joining me.